clear, right? Yes. Uh, so let's start with the question. Today is the second session of probability, right? Last session we started probability, we solved some questions, and I have told you the probability as a topic, which is favorite to most of the faculty. Not only probability, but probability के साथ साथ permutation and combination tricky है, तो variety solve करना बहुत important है. Sticking to that, let's attempt some questions today also with different varieties. Let's start without wasting much of your time. This is Ashish Kumar. एक स्क्रीन पे बोलो आशीष कुमार. Okay. It's a nightmare for my wife. वो एक आशीष कुमार को नहीं देख पाती और एक साथ दोनों आशीष कुमार. चलो ठीक है. अच्छा, before we move ahead, guys, we meet daily at 7 p.m. on the channel Cat इसी channel पे 7 p.m. wherein we do topic-wise preparation, revision.
The two dice are rolled over. What is the probability that the product of the score that show up in a multiple of 4? 12 तो डाइस टोटल तो 12 होगा. मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 कितना है? एक 4 को तो एक 2 तो 1/3.
क्या हुआ स्टार्ट? ट्राई करो.
क्योंकि 2 डाइस है, 2 डाइस को रोल किया जा रहा है तो एक में 6 होता है, एक में 6 होता है, 6 6 12 टोटल हो गया. 4 का मल्टीपल है.
लास्ट 15 seconds left, 15 seconds or so. Probability और permutation combination is one such topic जिसके ना एक question पे there could be multiple solutions, multiple logic. If the logic is right, you'll get to the solution. So anyway you think it should be right, आप आंसर तक पहुंच जाओगे. So a single question can have more than one wonderful solution. It's up to you. So this question says that there are 2 dice which are rolled together. What is the probability that the product of the score that show up is multiple of 4? Hello, Sia. 2 dice roll up here. What is the possibility that the product is multiple of 4? So देखो, पहले डाइस में क्या ऑप्शन है? सिर्फ 0, 1 to 6 कुछ भी आ सकता है. The number that can feature on dice 1 is 1 to 6, anywhere between 1 to 6. Second dice it is again 1 to 6. Okay, so product है, the product of the numbers on these 2 dice may vary from 1 to 36. है या ना? The product of the numbers on these 2 dice will vary from 1 to 36. I am looking for something which is multiple of 4. I am looking for something which is multiple of 4. Okay, multiple of 4 का मतलब क्या? The product, if the product is 4, this is one case. Product could be 8, could be 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 and 36. Right? What is the possibility? Product 2 आ जाए. ये कितने तरीके से possible है? So this is possible अगर 1 4 हो जाए, 2 2 हो जाए, and 4 1 हो जाए. There are 3 possibilities, and these 2 are considered to be different possibilities. The first, in this ordered pair, the first one represents the outcome of the first dice, second represents outcome of the second dice. No, Sia, that is not the right answer. अच्छा 8 कब हो सकता है? 8 कब हो सकता है? सर 8 हो सकता है if it is 2 4 and 4 2. I have two options. 12 कब हो सकता है बेटा? सर it could be 2 6 3 4 4 3 and 6 2. There are 4 possibilities, right? 16 के लिए there is only one possibility, sir, 4 into 4. अच्छा 20 के लिए sir it could be 4 into 5 or 5 into 4, right? 24 so there are two possibilities, 4 into 6 or 6 into 4, right? So 28 is not possible. It is not possible. It is 28 is not possible. One of the factors is 7 which we cannot achieve. 32 is not possible. 36 केवल एक ऑप्शन है, राइट? तो टोटल कितने ऑप्शन हो गए बेटा? वी नीड टू काउंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑप्शंस. Possibilities 3 here, 3 2 5, 5 4 9, 9 1 10, 10 2 12, 2 14, 1 15. So how many possible outcomes? How many favorable events are there? 15. Okay, upon sample space. Sample space क्या है? Sample space. Sir 6 into 6 36. 6 into 6 36. This is the sample space, right? तो इसे cancel out करो. It goes in 5 by 12 times. So correct answer to this question was 5 by 12. Sample space is 36. Favorable outcome is 12. The correct answer is 5 by 36. This is one way to solve. This is one way to solve this question. This is one way to solve this question. You sorted it? अब do you know about tuk-tuk? आपको पता है who is tuk-tuk? अब आया tuk-tuk.
अच्छा ये
tuk-tuk क्या करता है? The tuk-tuk always comes with let's say orange color. ये आया tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk is an aspirant who thought in a different way. Tuk-tuk is an aspirant who thought in a different way. Tuk-tuk ने क्या बोला? Now same question. What he thought about this question? Let's forget about the solution now. What he thought about this question? कि sir, पहले डाइस में let's say x is the number. Second डाइस में let's say y is the outcome, and the product is multiple of 4. Product is multiple of 4. Sir, how is this possible? Now this is possible uniquely in 3 ways. पहला, both of these they show even number. Both of these they show even number. यहाँ भी even हो, ये भी even हो, x भी even, y भी even. Product would be multiple of 4. Second, so पहले वाले पे 4 आ जाए. This is first case. Second, पहले वाले पे 4 आ जाए और सेकंड पे कोई ऑड हो जाए, नॉट इवन, बिकॉज 4 एंड इवन इज ऑलरेडी टेकन केयर ऑफ हियर, तो वो यूनिक नहीं होगा, राइट? पहले पे 4 आ जाए एंड सेकंड पे ऑड नंबर आ जाए, राइट? तो 4 के साथ इवन भी लेना होगा? नहीं, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, क्योंकि 4 इज इवन, अनदर इवन इज ऑलरेडी टेकन केयर ऑफ इन फर्स्ट केस, so that won't be unique. और सर 4 पे ऑड आ जाए, second पे 4 आ जाए. In all these 3 cases, the product would be multiple of 4. The product would be multiple of 4. Okay, very good. Now, 4 वाले की probability क्या है? Even आने की probability क्या है first वाले पे? Sir 3/6. And you want even on second dice? 3/6. है ना? Yes sir. अच्छा चलो. Second case की क्या probability है? 4. 4 is 1/6. Out of 6 आपको को लेके ऑप्शन चाहिए, आपको चाहिए 4. You want 4 on the dice. So it is possible in 1/6 times. Odd आने की क्या probability है second dice पे? Sir out of 6, 3 of the numbers are odd. 3/6. Again, first वाले में odd आने की probability क्या है third case? So out of 6, 3 of them are odd. अच्छा 4 आने की क्या probability है? Out of 6 मुझे केवल 4 चाहिए, मतलब एक ही ऑप्शन है. And I'll add all of this and that will give me the total probability. I want this to happen, or this to happen, or this to happen. Or मतलब क्या? Addition, right? We remember the fundamental principles of counting that is applicable in here probability also. Fundamental principle of counting says that अगर and का concept है, you need to multiply the possibilities or probabilities, और अगर or है बीच में, so you need to add the possibilities or probabilities, right? So add all of them. So this is 9 by 36, this is 3 by 36, and this is 3 by 36. Okay, add all of them. 36 is common LCM. 9 plus 3 plus 3, 15 upon 36. Again, 5 upon 12 is the answer. And you could write most of this part. And I mean, you can ignore most of this part. Solving on your own, you can only write this and solve it in within 40-45 seconds.
Okay.
I hope I am clear. Answer to the first question. Answer to the second question. Let's move to the second question. Try this one. I'll give you standard 90 seconds. Three vertices of a regular hexagon. Blah 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 blah. What is the probability that is in it?
3 vertices of regular hexagon. Equilateral.
Is an equilateral triangle. Solve this problem.
अच्छा hexagon. 1 2 3 4 5 6. इसमें पूछा अब क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि वो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल 3 वर्टेक्सेस की है. 6 हैं टोटल. 1 2 3 4 5. एक दो तीन. एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो इसका हो जाएगा 1 3 to the power 6 and 1 by 3.
What is product? They will form one equilateral triangle. The points denoted by green, circled by green.
6 3 है ना. 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 into 2 into 1. And
the vertices denoted by orange will give you the second equilateral triangle. There is no third equilateral triangle. अब थोड़ा सा करोगे you figure that out. So, what is favorable event here? What is favorable event? So, favorable event, what we are looking for, what is desired is 2. Now, what is the probability? Probability of this to happen is PE is favorable event, number of elements in favorable event upon number of weights in sample space. That's 2 upon 20. 1 by 10 would be the right answer to this question. 1/10.
ये बहुत जुकाम मेरे को पता नहीं इसका क्या करूँ इसका मैं 1/10 ओके
Would be the right answer to this question. Sorted? Bolo yes sir. Yes sir. आगे बढ़ जाए? आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. चलो next question. 3 bags B1, B2, B3. Now this is a concept of Bayes theorem. आपने पढ़ा होगा Bayes theorem. An event that has already occurred, उसकी probability क्या है? An event that has already occurred. Okay, an event that has already occurred.
bye guys
An event that has